Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Perl interview questions, focusing on text processing and scripting mastery. Perl has been a powerhouse in the programming world for decades, particularly excelling in areas like regular expressions, text manipulation, CPAN modules, and system administration. Today, we'll explore the essential concepts and practical skills that interviewers commonly evaluate when assessing Perl developers. Whether you're preparing for your first Perl interview or looking to strengthen your existing knowledge, this session will equip you with the foundational understanding needed to demonstrate your expertise in Perl's core strengths. Let's begin with the fundamental building blocks of Perl programming. Perl offers 4 primary data types that are essential for text processing. Scalars, represented by the $sign, store single values like strings and numbers. Arrays, denoted with the @ symbol, hold ordered lists of scalar values. Hashes, marked by the %sign, store key-value pairs for efficient data lookup. References, indicated by the \, provide memory-efficient ways to work with complex data structures. What makes Perl particularly powerful for text processing is its built-in regular expression support, flexible string handling capabilities, exceptional pattern matching power, and the ability to write concise one-liner scripts that can accomplish complex text manipulation tasks. Regular expressions are the heart of Perl's text processing capabilities. Understanding the binding operators is crucial for pattern matching. The match operator, represented by =tilde, tests whether a string matches a specific pattern. The negated match operator, !tilde, checks if a string does not match a pattern. These operators are typically used in conditional statements to control program flow based on pattern matches. The basic syntax of Perl regular expressions includes 3 main forms: the match operator using m/pattern/, the substitute operator using s/old/new/, and the transliterate operator using tr/abc/size/. These fundamental constructs form the foundation of all text processing operations in Perl. Advanced pattern matching in Perl relies heavily on metacharacters and quantifiers. Character classes provide shortcuts for common patterns. \d matches any digit from 0 to 9. \w matches word characters including letters, digits, and underscores. \s matches any whitespace character such as spaces, tabs, and newlines. The meta character matches any single character except newline. Quantifiers control how many times a pattern element should match. The asterisk quantifier matches 0 or more occurrences. The + sign matches 1 or more occurrences. The question mark matches 0 or 1 occurrence. Curly braces with numbers, like open brace and comma m close brace, specify a range allowing between n and m matches. These tools enable precise pattern matching for complex text processing tasks. Perl provides an extensive library of built-in functions for text manipulation. Essential string functions include length for determining string size, subster for extracting portions of text, index for finding character positions, and split for dividing strings into arrays based on delimiters. These functions handle basic text processing needs efficiently. Regular expression operations offer more sophisticated text manipulation capabilities. The substitute function s/// replaces text patterns with new content. The transliterate function tr/// transforms individual characters. The global match modifier m//g finds all pattern occurrences in a string. The compiled regex function qr/// creates reusable pattern objects for improved performance. Together, these functions provide comprehensive tools for any text processing requirement. File input and output operations are fundamental skills for text processing applications. Reading files safely requires proper error handling and modern Perl practices. The recommended approach uses lexical file handles with the 3-argument form of open. First, declare a lexical filehandle variable. Then use open with the my keyword, filehandle variable, > symbol for reading, and file name. Always include error checking with the or die statement to handle file opening failures. Read file contents line by line using a while loop with the angle bracket operator. Remember to chomp each line to remove trailing new lines and close the file handle when finished. Writing files follows a similar pattern, but uses the greater than symbol for output mode. Always verify successful file operations and use lexical file handles for better code safety and maintainability. The Comprehensive Perl Archive Network, commonly known as CPAN, represents one of Perl's greatest strengths. CPAN hosts over 180,000 Perl modules and distributions created by developers worldwide. This vast repository provides reusable code libraries for virtually any programming task imaginable. CPAN modules undergo rigorous testing and quality assurance processes, ensuring reliable and well-documented code. The key benefits of using CPAN include access to an extensive collection of specialized modules, quality-tested code that has been vetted by the community, active community support for troubleshooting and improvements, and streamlined installation processes that handle dependencies automatically. This ecosystem allows developers to focus on solving business problems rather than reinventing common functionality, making Perl development both efficient and reliable. Several CPAN modules have become essential tools for text processing tasks. For structured data handling, text:\CSV provides robust comma-separated value file parsing capabilities. XML:\simple offers straightforward XML document processing. The JSON module handles JavaScript object notation, data parsing, and generation. The template module provides powerful template processing for generating dynamic content. System utility modules extend Perl's capabilities for automation tasks. File:\find enables efficient file system traversal and searching. DBI, the database interface module, provides standardized database connectivity across different database systems. LWP:\user agent serves as a comprehensive web client library for HTTP operations. DateTime offers sophisticated date and time manipulation functions. These modules represent just a fraction of CPAN's offerings, but they form the foundation for most text processing and system administration tasks. Installing CPAN modules can be accomplished through several methods. The traditional CPAN shell provides interactive module management. Start the CPAN shell by typing CPAN at the command line. Within the shell, install modules using the install command followed by the module name, such as install text:\CSV. Exit the shell by typing quit. This method offers extensive configuration options but requires more user interaction. The modern approach uses CPAN-, a lightweight and zero configuration installer. First, install CPAN- itself using CPAN app:\CPAN-. Then use the cpanum command for simple module installation, such as cpanum text:\CSV or cpanum JSON:\PP. The cpanum tool automatically handles dependencies, provides cleaner output, and requires no configuration, making it the preferred choice for most developers. Perl excels in system administration through its powerful text processing capabilities and system integration features. Log processing represents a common administrative task where Perl shines. A typical log analysis script reads input files line by line, uses regular expressions to identify error patterns, and extract relevant information like IP addresses, then accumulates statistics in hash data structures for reporting. The example script demonstrates parsing log files for error messages, capturing IP addresses using pattern matching, counting occurrences by storing them in a hash, and generating summary reports. Common system administration tasks that benefit from Perl automation include file monitoring and log rotation, system health checks and performance monitoring, automated report generation from various data sources, and data backup automation with error handling. Perl's combination of text processing power and system integration makes it ideal for these administrative tasks. Following established best practices ensures maintainable and efficient Perl code. Code standards form the foundation of quality Perl development. Always use strict and warnings pragmas to catch common programming errors early. Employ lexical file handles instead of bare-word file handles for better encapsulation and error handling. Implement proper error handling with meaningful error messages and appropriate recovery strategies. Choose clear and descriptive variable names that communicate purpose and context. Maintain consistent indentation and code formatting throughout your projects. Performance optimization requires strategic thinking about algorithm efficiency. Compile regular expression patterns once and reuse them for repeated matching operations. Use map and grep functions efficiently, understanding when they create new lists versus modifying existing data. Avoid unnecessary loops by leveraging Perl's built-in functions. Profile code before optimizing to identify actual bottlenecks rather than assumed problem areas. Cache expensive operations when results will be reused multiple times. Interview questions typically focus on practical, real-world applications of Perl skills. Common tasks include parsing log files for specific error patterns and generating summary reports, extracting and processing data from CSV files with proper error handling, generating formatted reports from various data sources with consistent output, and cleaning and formatting text input while preserving data integrity. Interviewers assess candidates across several key areas. Pattern construction skills involve writing effective regular expressions for complex matching requirements. Module selection and usage demonstrate understanding of CPAN resources and appropriate tool selection. Error handling strategies show professionalism in writing robust, production-ready code. Code optimization techniques reveal understanding of performance considerations and algorithmic thinking. Success in Perl interviews requires combining theoretical knowledge with practical problem-solving skills, demonstrating both technical competence and real-world application experience.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.